Picture this, it's a warm summer day and you're getting ready to leave the job site. You jump in the truck, turn on the AC, and are blasted with a nasty, foul-smelling stench. No, it's not your BO. It's the AC, and we've got a breath of fresh air in a can for you. Thanks to this week's feature product, take a whiff of Lloyds Eco Air. So, why does your car reek? Well, ignoring the hockey bag in the back, the air conditioning coils are constantly creating moisture through condensation. And what loves to hang out in wet, dark, and warm places? Bacteria. And once you get a bunch of bacteria farting up a storm together, it can cause some unpleasant aromas. In comes Lloyds Eco Air, which is a foaming spray that uses a chemical compound extracted from citrus peels called D-limonene. D-limonene is an ingredient found in many cleaners due to its ability to effectively handle greases and oils without leaving behind a heavy residue. The good news. There's no need to rip apart the dash to try and get to the source of the stench, as each can of Eco Air comes with a 6-foot tube. So by simply snaking the tube through the air vents and unleashing the cleaning foam, you'll be able to put a stop to that stinky bacteria soiree right at the source. After that, just wait 15 minutes for the foam to evaporate, taking that repugnant bacteria along with it, leaving the vehicle and ductwork smelling fresh and clean. Again, ignoring the hockey bag and the work boots and those fries that fell under the seat. Nonetheless, the AC is blowing a clean, refreshing breeze, all thanks to this week's feature product, Lloyds Eco Air. What's the worst smelling vehicle you've ever taken a ride in? Let's hear about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more 100% Canadian content. Have a good one.